Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to disable the Send Helpful Tips for Server Setup feature in Discord, a small but important step to keep your server cleaner and distraction-free. Let's jump right in and go through the process step by step. First, open the Discord app on your device. You can do this on desktop or mobile. The steps are the same and it only takes a moment to complete. Once Discord is open, go to the server where you want to make the change. At the top of your screen, tap or click your server's name. This will open a small menu with several options for customizing and managing your server. From there, choose Settings to access your server's main configuration page. Inside the Settings menu, look for the Overview tab. This section contains general information about your server, from the name and region to various message and notification preferences. Scroll down until you find the area labeled System Messages Settings. Here's where the feature we're focusing on lives. You'll see an option called Send Helpful Tips for Server Setup. By default, Discord automatically enables this option to provide tips and suggestions based on your server's activity. However, if you prefer a cleaner experience without extra pop-ups or guidance messages, it's best to turn this off. To do that, simply toggle off the switch next to Send Helpful Tips for Server Setup. The button will move to the left and the color should change, confirming that it's now disabled. Finally, make sure to tap or click Save before exiting the settings page.